Welcome to GreenPan Pro. Today, we are diving deep into a cookware set that has been making some serious waves in the kitchen, the GreenPan Valencia Pro hard-anodized healthy ceramic non-stick frying pan skillet set. This set comes with an 8-inch and a 10-inch frying pan, and GreenPan is promising a lot with this collection, so let's see if it delivers. Right off the bat, the Valencia Pro line aims to be the pinnacle of GreenPan's innovation, and they've packed quite a few technologies into these pans. One of the most significant selling points, and a key reason many people opt for ceramic non-stick, is its healthy aspect. GreenPan emphasizes that their signature ceramic non-stick coating is completely free of PFAS, PFOA, lead, and cadmium. This is a big deal for health-conscious cooks who want to avoid potentially harmful chemicals often found in traditional non-stick cookware. Let's talk about the non-stick itself. This isn't just any ceramic non-stick. GreenPan has infused it with diamonds. Now, I know that sounds a bit gimmicky, but diamonds are incredibly hard and they're excellent at conducting heat. This infusion is meant to provide remarkable durability, ensuring the non-stick surface stands up to regular use, and importantly, it's metal utensil safe. So, you can use your spatulas and whisks without fear of scratching the surface, which is a huge convenience for many home cooks. They claim this offers balanced heating, which is crucial for even cooking and preventing hot spots, and effortless cleanup. We will certainly put that to the test. The construction of these pans is also noteworthy. They feature DuoFORGED hard-anodized bodies. Hard anodizing is a process that makes aluminum incredibly tough and scratch-resistant. By pre-treating the aluminum before this process, GreenPan claims to achieve extraordinary durability. This makes the pans feel robust and built to last, and the hard anodized finish gives them a sleek, professional look. Performance on the stovetop is another area where the Valencia Pro aims to impress. The inclusion of magneto induction bases means these pans are optimized for performance on all stovetops, including induction. This is a vital feature for anyone with an induction cooktop, as not all pans are compatible. The description mentions superior induction efficiency, so heat transfer should be quick and consistent, allowing for efficient browning, sautéing, and searing without significant heat loss. Ease of cleaning is often the primary draw for non-stick cookware, and GreenPan highlights this. They state that most messes wipe clean effortlessly, and for those tougher bits, the pans are dishwasher safe. While I always recommend handwashing to prolong the life of non-stick coatings, knowing it can go in the dishwasher offers peace of mind for busy days. Comfort is also a consideration, and the Valencia Pro features comfortable stainless steel handles. These are mirror polished and designed to stay cool thanks to a V-shaped cutout. A cool handle is essential for safe and comfortable maneuvering of the pan, especially when it's heavy with food. The versatility of these pans extends beyond the stovetop. They are oven and broiler safe up to a very respectable 600 degrees Fahrenheit, and the lids, if you were to get them separately or if they were included, would be safe up to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. This allows for seamless transitions from searing on the stove to finishing dishes in the oven. Now, let's consider the pros and cons based on these details. On the positive side, the healthy, toxin-free ceramic non-stick is a major advantage. The diamond infusion promises enhanced durability and performance, and being metal utensil safe is a significant plus. The hard anodized construction suggests these pans are built to withstand daily use and are scratch-resistant. The magneto induction bases ensure broad stovetop compatibility, which is great for many kitchens. The oven-safe rating is quite high, offering excellent flexibility. And of course, the ease of cleaning, including dishwasher safety, is always appreciated. Plus, GreenPan's Valencia Pro has garnered awards from reputable sources like America's Test Kitchen and Good Housekeeping, which lend significant credibility to its performance. However, no cookware is perfect. While the non-stick is rated as durable and metal utensil safe, some users of ceramic non-stick in general can find that over time, even the best coatings can degrade if not cared for properly. It's still wise to use wooden or silicone utensils when possible to maximize longevity. The description doesn't explicitly state if lids are included, which could be a drawback for some depending on pricing and intended use. While the handles are designed to stay cool, like most metal handles, they can still get warm, especially when used in a hot oven. Finally, the limited lifetime warranty is mentioned, which is good, but the specifics of what it covers and the claim process are always worth investigating. In conclusion, the GreenPan Valencia Pro hard-anodized ceramic non-stick frypan set appears to be a robust, health-conscious, and versatile option for home cooks. It boasts advanced materials and technologies aimed at providing durability, excellent non-stick performance, and broad compatibility. The awards and certifications add to its appeal, suggesting it's a well-performing set that lives up to its promises of healthy cooking and easy cleanup. Link in the description.